Okay, I'm gonna do my best explanation on how to emulate Nintendo games on a computer. So let's just pretend that we have nothing and you're just looking at your desktop. So the first thing I would do, I'm gonna use the 3DS as an example here. This works for everything, so I would just make a folder called 3DS games, right? And then when I magically get my 3DS game to fly inside my computer, right, then what you could do is go in your file explorer, or you can get a program like WinRAR, and the game would be there like that, and you would extract the file to a specific folder, and then you go to your 3DS games basically, and you extract the file in there, and then you have to download an emulator. So if I'm playing a 3DS game, I need a 3DS emulator like Azahar, and then I go to file, and when I load the file, then I just choose the folder with the 3DS games in it, and I pick the game I want to play. And you can make it show up on the front page here for like most emulators. And each console has an emulator, so like there's more than one emulator for every console that exists. It doesn't matter what console it is. If you see on the left hand side here, like, it's crazy. I'm gonna do the Nintendo ones, but there's everything, you know. NES is JNES, SNES is SNES 9X, the Nintendo 64 one is Project 64, the Game Boy one is mGBA, the DS one is DeSmuME, or DeSmuME, however you say it. The 3DS one, it's a different emulator, Azahar emulator. If you want to play a 3DS game, all your game file names have to end in .cci for them to work now. The Wii and GameCube is Dolphin Emulator. The Wii U is DeSmuME Emulator. Also, if you want to play Wii U games, you need to go online and get a folder called Wii U Keys, and it looks like this. And you have to copy and paste this into a text file, and then that document has to be in the same folder as DeSmuME Emulator before you can play any game on the Wii U. And the Switch is Eden Emulator. Thanks for watching.